Alright, this is Pliskin. I know it's been a while since I've been at the range, but today I'm finally getting around to doing the ZQI retest. I got 6 rounds in the magazine, so I can do both 3-shot groups in one inning, because we're kind of short for time today. Alright, let's see here. I already got one in the chamber. I'm going to hold in the middle for the first group, and then probably upper left hand for the second. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay, that was a 3-shot group. Okay, upper left hand corner. Oh my Lord. Wow. That was that. Alright, I ran the ZQI 147 grain. Now I'm going to run some 308 SSA 168 grain hollow point boat tail, just to see the difference in the two cartridges, the 2 bullets. Alright, just like before. Okay. I'm going to aim at the right hand, bottom and top. Okay. Okay, that was 3. I got 3 more to go. Okay, that was 6 shots. 3 on top, 3 on bottom, right hand side. We'll see what the difference is. Alright, back home. Just got back from the shooting range a little bit ago. Was out shooting. I know I haven't been to the range in a little while. First time back, probably a few weeks. But I did the ZQI retest. ZQI 147 grain full metal jacket. My first group was here, holding here in this triangle. Second group was here, holding here in this triangle, or square, diamond, not triangle, diamond. That's what I meant to say. Now, when I first shot this on this group right here, it confused me for a minute, because I think the first shot was way down here, and I almost kind of honestly thought that my scope mount had come loose again when I first shot. I was expecting it to hit up here, because I was holding right here the whole time. So I fired the next 2, 1, 2, and then they hit there. I was like, okay. And I fired the first on the second group up here, and they all hit down here. One of those may have been me. I can't honestly tell you, because I did not move my gun too much. I put the crosshairs back here in this diamond every time and pulled the trigger. And each time I'd pull the trigger, I could see where the bullets were hitting, and that's what it got. Second group was 6 MOA, and first group was 3.5. So not too bad on the first group. Second group, I don't know what happened there. Maybe some consistency problems. I also had a box of SSA 168 grain hollow point boat tail 308 Winchester, and I decided I'd go ahead and shoot it too on the same target. Okay, here's my first group. Holding here. Got 2 MOA, maybe a little bit tighter. 168 grain hollow point boat tail. First group holding here. 1, 2, 3. And then second group holding here. 1, 2, 3, 1.75 MOA, SSA 168 grain hollow point boat tail. That's the second group. So I retested the ZQI, but I also did the 168 grain hollow point boat tail on the same target. And as you can clearly see, my gun likes the 168 grain stuff a whole lot better. I am surprised at ZQI though. I honestly thought it would do better with the scope on it. Now, like I said, I may have pulled one of them, but I cannot recall if I had or not, because every time I'd shoot, I'd put the crosshairs right back here. Right back in the center of that diamond. Right in there. And they would not move from there. So, I'm not sure what was going on there. But I could kind of see this when I was shooting an iron sight too. Now, albeit I did not shoot it on paper as much as I have other ammunition, but it is ZQI is kind of a very inconsistent kind of type ammo. I am happy with the first group though, but I mean, I was expecting it to do a little bit better. I was doing my part, so as you can clearly see with the SSA 168 grain ammunition, holding here each time, and got somewhat consistent grouping. It kind of trailed there, but still remotely in the same location and still tighter than ZQI. So that was the ZQI retest. That's what it is. All I can say is I was holding here, and it grouped like that. So anyway, this has been Pliskin. Please leave a like or a dislike. And I'll see you all in the next video.